railway fans, what's inside one is LED Westinghouse lights. And here you got a flat blade screw or bolt. You have the light part here, which actually fitted to the light. And you have this thing fitted over here, which is actually the flashlight for the inner part. Then you have this part, what's the main the circuit board inside here for the lights, and you have the lighting. If you wanted to, you can unplug this part here and then just have the main part flashing. This won't be exactly identical, but I couldn't get the bolt to shift, so I just left that one sealed shut. If I get some WD-40, I can spray it in one do. And just put it do similar to the incandescent lights, really, how you would get inside to change the globe. And you just tighten up with a spanner or a flat blade. And these lights came from the seafood level crossing. But they were moved by level crossing removals. I've gone from the Seymour Rally Antiques when he had them there. God, these things are annoying to screw up. There we go. This up and it'll be done. These were incandescent lights, got to be at some time they'll refurbish to be LEDs. Because it says Westinghouse on the outside, but inside says some other company inside. But that's what's inside Westinghouse lights. That's in the end of the video.